Hey guys, it's Tomotoda. I didn't think I'd have to make this video so soon, but it's a good thing because it means that I hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube this week. And now I want to thank you guys by having this giveaway. I've never done a giveaway on YouTube, nor have I participated in a giveaway on YouTube, so I'm going to try to go over the process in this video based on a bit of research that I've done. First off, the prize for this giveaway is one Animal Crossing white Squeakoid keycap, which you've probably seen from my previous videos and, it's plastered all over my Instagram. It is approximately 3.5 centimeters in height and is Cherry MX stem compatible. Here are the requirements to enter. Number 1, you must be 18 years or older. Number 2, I am in the US, but domestic and international entries are welcomed as long as USPS can ship to your country. Number 3, you must have an Instagram account because YouTube doesn't have a private messaging system and my email game is whack. So if you win, I would like to contact you through Instagram DMs. Number 4, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is not mandatory, but I would appreciate it if you can click on that like button for this video. Number 5, your subscriber list has to be public or else I won't be able to see if you did subscribe to my channel or not. Number 6, leave a comment below answering this question. Who is your favorite Animal Crossing character and why? There are no extra entries. You can leave more than one comment, but I'll be using commentpicker.com to choose the winner, so leaving extra comments won't give you a better chance at winning. It'll be an extra comment for fun. The giveaway will be held from today, March 14th, 2023, all the way to March 21st, 2023, and it ends at 5 p.m. EST on March 21st. Winner will be announced ASAP in the community section tab. And I'll also leave a reply to the winner's comment that they won and to DM me on Instagram. However, to prevent imposters, there will be a manual two-factor identification process. This is how it's gonna go. After I let you know that you won, you are going to DM me on Instagram that you are the winner on YouTube. I will give you a random code. With that code, go back to your winning YouTube comment on this video and edit it to include the random code at the end. Once everything is verified, we will go through the rest of the personal information stuff through Instagram. Your personal information will only be used to ship your giveaway prize to you. I promise I won't show up at your door with a hamster. If the winner does not respond within 48 hours, I will pick a second winner as soon as possible. Also, I think legally, I'm obligated to say that YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll also have a second giveaway for the pink Squeakoid keycap on my Instagram account after this one finishes because I can only handle one thing at a time currently. So stay tuned for that. But thank you guys again so much for the support and the growth. I would be bored of this channel if I didn't have an audience. So I really appreciate you all being here and I love you guys. Best of luck. Bye-bye.